Wondering what happens during a water heater appointment? Will it be repaired or will you need a replacement? And if so, should you go with a traditional tank or a tankless system? In this video, we'll walk you through exactly what to expect so you can feel confident before we even arrive.
Get Eco.
Hi, I'm Scott with Eco Plumbers, Electricians, and HVAC Technicians. We help homeowners across Ohio with water heater repairs, maintenance, and replacements every day, both traditional and tankless. Here's an idea of what you can expect during a typical appointment. You'll get a confirmation text and an email before your appointment, as well as a heads up when your technician is on the way. This includes a text with a photo of the technician who is coming to your home, as well as a tracking link to see how far away they are in real time. We know hot water issues can't wait, so we focus on fast response and clear communication. When your technician arrives, they'll introduce themselves and ask a few questions. Things like, what issues are you experiencing? How long have you been dealing with this issue? When did you first notice this problem? You know your home better than we do. We begin by asking questions because we want to understand your concerns, and it also helps us quickly narrow down possible issues. Next, we inspect your system. For tank water heaters, we check things like heating elements or burners, tank condition and corrosion, leaks and safety components. For tankless systems, we look at overall performance, heat exchanger condition, error codes, and maintenance needs. Regardless of the style of water heater you have, we always perform a safety inspection, check the system's age, and determine whether it's still covered under any manufacturer warranties. The goal is to understand exactly what's going on and how serious it is. Once we've diagnosed the issue, we'll explain it clearly. Then we'll walk you through your options. These could include repair, if it makes sense, maintenance, if it's a performance issue, system protection, like point of use filtration or whole home filtration, or replacement if the system is near the end of its life. And if replacement is on the table or a system upgrade is necessary to meet the needs of your home and family, we'll show you a few different options from either traditional or tankless systems, based on your needs and what might work best for your home. This way you can see all your options and make the right choice for your home, budget, and long-term goals. If you decide to move forward, we'll often complete repairs the same day. If you're replacing the system, we'll walk you through tank versus tankless pros and cons, what an installation usually looks like, how long it will take, and scheduling options, so you know what to expect before anything starts. Before we leave, we test everything to make sure it's working properly. We'll review what was done, make sure you're satisfied with the installation, that everything operates as it should, and answer any additional questions you might have. If you're having water heater issues or just want to understand your options, you can schedule an appointment with our team using the link in the description below. We'll work with you to figure out what makes the most sense for your home. You should always know your options, especially when it comes to something as important as hot water. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you.